In this video, we will show how to change the frame material in your design. I have added a wood texture and I'll move it above the frame layer. Next, I'll change the blending mode to multiply, then press the Alt key on the keyboard. Then click on the Frame Part 1 layer mask. You'll see that the mask is just for the horizontal parts of the frame. Press the Alt key again, and then drag and drop it on the texture. Now I'll turn off the color layers. You'll notice that the texture is now applied to the frame. Next, I'll make a copy of the texture, then remove the layer mask by right-clicking on it and choosing Delete Layer Mask. After that, I'll proceed to the next step. Now I'll enter transformation mode and rotate the texture by 90 degrees. I'll extend it slightly, then press the Alt key and drag and drop the layer mask into place. Both textures are now in the right place, but the effect looks too bright. I'll try to adjust it. If it's too strong, we'll change the setting from Overlay to Soft Light, which usually looks better. Next, I'll reduce the opacity of the matte layer to make it lighter. Let's change the shadow color to match the new material. Keep in mind, the color should also fit the environment where you're using your frame. For example, in a darker environment, the shadow will be darker. And it's the same thing in a brighter environment. The shadow will be brighter. To make the wood material look a bit darker, it's easy. We'll create a new adjustment layer. For our example, we'll use the curve adjustment layer, but you can use any other one you need. Then we'll right-click on the mask and delete it. Next, we'll select from the layer mask. Right-click and choose Add Mask to Selection. Then go to the second mask and do the same thing. Now, the whole frame board is selected, so we'll pick Create a New Mask. As you can see, the mask is now applied correctly. We'll adjust the curve slightly to change the brightness. You can make the frame brighter or darker by moving the middle point up or down. That's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helps you with your design projects. Happy creating!